If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Roblox, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help resolve the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for running Roblox. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, and graphics capabilities. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure you are using the latest version of Roblox. Go to the Roblox website or your app store to download any available updates, as they often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Clear the cache and data of the Roblox application. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be causing the crashes. You can do this through your device's settings under the Application Management section. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings within Roblox. High graphics settings can strain your device, leading to crashes. Access the settings menu in Roblox and reduce the graphics quality to see if it improves stability. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can help fix any installation-related problems that may be causing the crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your experience and reduce the likelihood of crashing while playing Roblox. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.